Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to separate date and time. So we have date and time right here. We have date, and in order to do a date, we can just go ahead and use integer function. There you go. And then I'm going to go ahead and choose this one right here. Close this one and then hit enter, and then you can see that the date has now been chosen. Now you can go ahead and choose the right formula here. So for the date, there are different kind of ways to do this or to put this. It's definitely up to you. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just copy this one to the entire column, and then for the time it's gonna be a minus, so you can go ahead and choose this one and then subtract it to this value right here. So what remains is the time. There you go. And then I can go ahead and basically just copy it just like so. Then again, go ahead and click this in order for you to change the time format right here. So you have, say for example, just this one, click OK, and you can see that now the seconds is gone. So yeah, that's how you're going to separate date and time in Excel.